Hello, my friends. Happy Tuesday. I am just going to check and make sure that I am live. Okay. Happy day before the day before. Yeah. How's everybody doing this morning? I have coffee this morning. Merry Christmas, Michelle. How are you this morning? Good to see you. Yeah. Are you drinking something warm? I'm going to take another swig of coffee. Best stuff ever. Yum, yum, yum. Good morning, Kathy. How are you doing, my friend? Good to see you this morning. Are you coming over on this side of the mountains for Christmas, or are they coming to see you, or is everybody just staying put? Yeah. Isn't this the most horrendous thing you've ever seen? But I wear it every Christmas. It's so fun. It gets me in the holiday spirit, that and Christmas music. So, yeah, if you are on the replay, thank you. We are going to start in just a few minutes. I want to wait until, it is 10 o'clock, so I guess I'm not going to wait that much longer. We're going to be using the Gallery Blooms stamp set. And this is going to be one of those super duper easy cards because, hey, it is December 23rd. And that's all my brain could come up with this morning. Yes, I actually came up with this card this morning. So obviously it's going to be super duper simple. As I said earlier, we are going to be using the Gallery Blooms stamp set. You've noticed that there are no sentiments in this. So I'm bringing in my favorite sentiment stamp, Simply Said. And because after Christmas, I always need a ton of thank you cards, we are going to use the thanks. We're starting with a half sheet of Calypso Coral cardstock. And then I really am using the designer paper here, friends. I have got a quarter sheet of basic white. So I am going to go ahead and glue in just a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of white. And then for the front, I don't know if you could see this very well, but I used the Gathering Leaves 3D embossing folder. This is still available. It is not on the retired list yet, and I'm hoping that it doesn't go because I think it's just a really nice, when you have a floral card, I think it has just a really nice, subtle background effect, which I really like. And then, guys, for the paper, we have Florals in Bloom, which you can see. I like this design. And then I'm really using a lot of designer paper today. And then on this one, this is the Darling Duckling in color designer paper. Now, what I'm going to do is I am taking this floral stamp. I'm just going to ink it with my Memento Black ink. And I'm just going to stamp, I can see already I missed a spot. And I am just going to stamp it onto this Darling Duckling paper. And then what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to be able to see that, so I'm just going to glue it down on this black mat. All the measurements are for you in the instructions. Oh, good. Kathy says the tutorial looks good. Thank you, Kathy. I so appreciate you. I'm going to take the dark Calypso Coral blend. This is what happens, guys, when you design a card 20 minutes before you go live. There was a little bit of panicking involved. I will admit that. It's just, gosh, you guys, most of you, when I've been asking in the group, how's everybody doing? And everybody's like, oh, yeah, I've got all my presents wrapped. I've got all my presents done. And I'm like, oh, my goodness. They are so far ahead of me. So I'm getting there. All right. Now, there are two ways you can do this. In case you're wondering why I have two pieces of designer paper. One, you can rip in half. And it's going to go like that. Well, not rip in half, but rip off an edge for the torn look. Or you can go with just the straight look. Now, I kind of like the straight look. So I'm going to give you guys just a few seconds and you tell me, do you like the straight look? There's the straight look. Or do you like the torn look? I think with this paper, you kind of lose the torn look anyway. That's just my opinion. So I'm going to do straight. Now, so here we go. There we go. Quick and easy, guys. There's our finished card. Oh, no, I am missing something. We have the sentiment. So again, I should do this on dimensionals, but we're just going to finish this puppy up. Make sure I've got that on straight, which this is where I miss my glue. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now, it doesn't get much simpler than that, does it? And I think the bold sentiment from the Simply Said really works. So there you have it, guys. And the reason this was so simple is because of the papers. It just made it really quick and easy. So there you go. What do you think? I'll be back for a recorded video on Sunday with Step It Up Stamping. I'll be back on New Year's Eve with a live video, and I'm going to do something special for that one. May not be really difficult, but it's not going to be this simple. Okay. All right, my friends, I'll talk to you later. Have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.